Introducing the PyroCloud Fire Suppression 5000 series from FireChief. These manually deployed devices are used to establish fire control in rooms and compartments, preventing flashovers and backdrafts. They feature a safe, non-pressurized design and contain condensed aerosols which act as an exceptionally effective, non-toxic fire suppression agent. For use by firefighters and professional first responders, they are easily activated. The pin is pulled out and then the device is thrown into the room. After activation, an aerosol cloud is generated, which expands volumetrically, filling the whole area, either controlling or fully extinguishing the fire. PyroCloud technology is safe for use around humans and animals and does not deplete oxygen levels. It is also ecologically safe and fully environmentally friendly. FireChief, making the world a safer place.